Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescued channel. Today is the 20th, and on the 20th, Dolls Rescued and Dory over at Dory's Dolly announce the theme for the upcoming collabs for January. In this case, January, we will have, as usual, the Amaya Raine Day on the 3rd. That's any Amaya Raine, or Shadow High, or Rainbow High dolls. On the 16th is Dolls Gone Goth, and that is where you dress up your dolls in, well, however that Dolls Gone Goth inspires you. And then on the 18th, we have High Barbie. High Barbie is any Barbie, from the little McDonald's Barbies all the way up to your my-size Barbies. Marna tends to show a lot of her 17-inch Barbies. Dreamtopia, I believe, is the name of these particular ones, although I could be wrong. It is not my bailiwick or my wheelhouse, as they say. So the theme for January is New Year, New Looks. And I know that everybody likes to show off their new clothing, their new dolls that they either were purchased for or purchased themselves for Christmas. We hope you'll join us, and thank you so much for watching. Head over to Dory at Dory's Dollies and see what she has to say today about New Year's new looks. You can be sure that she has already developed quite a few ideas and has quite a few new looks to show off for the New Year's, and we are all looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. So please join us in the coming challenges, and we hope you have a great holiday season. And would you please leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and while you're at it, make sure you're still subscribed to Dolls Rescue. Merry Christmas.